Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to grant a full access control of a database in my PhpMyAdmin. So to start, you need to install a web server on your local machine. This machine, I've installed exam server on it. So to access the database, you click on Google Chrome, then on the address bar you type localhost. After that you type PhpMyAdmin. Here you type the username to log on to the database. This is the database. On my left hand side, you find all the database that has been created in PhpMyAdmin. And when you click on user account, you will find users that have been created on PhpMyAdmin. So to grant a full access control of a database, you need to click on database. Then you choose the database that you want to give a full access. Then you click check privileges. After clicking check privileges, you add a user who will be given access to the database to have full control of the database. Here, the username, I will type Janet as a username. Then I'll type the password that Janet will use to log on to the database. And after typing the password, on the global privilege, you click or check all to check all privileges to techped.uk, the database that you want to give a full control to Janet to access it when she tried to log on to the database. After that, you click on go to create the database or grant access to Janet. To access the database, to check it, you click on database. Here you'll find that the database has been granted a full privilege to Janet. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.